Hi, welcome back. Now let's take a practical example and learn the following. So we'll be taking a practical example and we'll learn how to work as per STLC, that is software testing life cycle. Every QA must follow the STLC phases in order to solve a problem. Okay. Then we'll learn how to write test cases with complete coverage. We'll also learn how to write test cases in such a way that we do not miss important test cases or test scenarios. Okay. Then we'll learn about the approach that is required to test a complex system. Okay. So in future, you will be working with so many complex systems, right? But we will give you a standard approach that you will apply on any kind of system and you will write all the test cases with complete coverage. Okay. Then we'll learn how to provide estimation. Now, before we go through the live example, there are some prerequisites that you need to read first before we start working with the live system. So the prerequisites are revise STLC, go through the test cases format, study about different types of functional and non-functional testing, which we have covered in the previous lectures. You should be knowing what is valid input and what is an invalid input. If you don't know, I'll just explain here. So what is a valid input? Say the system asks you to enter a positive number. Okay, and if you follow the same, then it is called as valid input. As for example, if the system asks you to enter a positive number and you enter values like 5, 10, 15, 30, then it is called as valid input. Okay, but if you enter values like -10, -100, -50, then it is considered as invalid input because the system has asked you to enter positive numbers, but you are entering something else. You are not following what the system is asking you to do. So when you enter something else, it is called as invalid input. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we'll work with the live examples and learn all these things which is mentioned in this video. I hope you all like this video. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.